Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Walmart fashion try-on haul. You guys, I am so excited with all of the cute pieces that I found at Walmart. I actually just discovered Walmart fashion a couple of months ago when I saw a blogger post about a pair of jeans, and I actually ended up getting them and I am obsessed with them. Those jeans are on repeat for me. Not only the quality is amazing, but the fit is everything, and you know the fit has to be perfect. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a bunch of cute dresses that I found that I will be adding to my spring and summer wardrobe. I also have a pair of denim shorts which I really love and I wanted to share with you guys, and a couple of tops as well. If you're new here, my name is Sandy. I am a fashion and lifestyle blogger based in New Jersey. I also own a small boutique online. It's Sandy Wears It, and I have the cutest tie-dye pieces and matching sets, and I am so obsessed with tie-dye. So if you like tie-dye, make sure you go check me out. I'm going to leave all of the info down below. If you haven't yet, make sure you click on the subscribe button so that I know that you guys are enjoying these videos, and give this video a thumbs up for more. So if you want to see everything that I found at Walmart, then just keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm going to show you this classic coveralls. This is from the brand Free Assembly, which the jeans that I told you guys about earlier are also from the same brand, which I loved. So when I ordered this, I had really high expectations, and I'm so happy I actually got this because this jumpsuit is so flattering. I love that it has a belt, so you can totally tie it and make your waist a little bit smaller, which gives you this really nice shape. I have to pull it up a little bit here so that it doesn't look too long, but other than that, I love it. These are long sleeves, but since it is nice outside, I scrunched them up like this. I love these buttons here, and it has a pocket in the front, 2 pockets in the back, and also 2 pockets on the sides. I mean, we love pockets. So this was actually a A++. I love this. It comes in 2 different colors and it is $21. Okay, so the next item is also from Free Assembly. I love the fit of these shorts. This is the same brand that I got the jeans from, like I said, and I got them in a size 2. I got these shorts also in a size 2, but these are a little bit big. As you can see in the waist, I do have some space, but I would totally size down if I was you. And these come in 6 different colors, which is amazing. This is the light color, I believe, and these are $18. So for $18, you can literally just stock up and get 1 in each color because it's just super affordable, and these actually fit so nice. I love a good pair of shorts for spring and summer. I think you need them. Everyone needs a good pair of shorts, and these are totally a really good option. Okay, so next we have this top. This is from the brand Scoop, and this is their Scoop V-neck knot top. So the reason why I got this was because this comes with like a midi skirt, and it's supposed to be a set, and I loved how it looked online. I love sets. I feel like they are a must-have because you can do so much with them. But when I placed the order, the skirt sold out, so I wasn't able to get it. So I just ended up getting this top, and I really like it. This is $32, and this comes in 2 different prints. I love the blue and the yellow, and I love that it's a V-neck. It's not super deep, as you can tell, so you can definitely cover up. It has a knot in the front, which I love the detail. It is a little bit shorter here in the front as well. It just has a really nice fit. I love that it's a lightweight fabric as well, so it's totally breathable, and I would totally pair this up with a pair of white jeans and some wedges. I think this would be super cute, and I might just wait and get this skirt when it becomes available, hoping it becomes available soon. And I got this in an extra small. Okay, so next we have another item from Scoop. This is their Scoop Drop shoulder mini dress. I love the print. When I saw this online, I just fell in love with the print. I feel like it's super cute print to bring into spring. I love that it has this elastic at the waist. It's not too short, so if you're a little taller than me, this would totally work for you. I like to pull it up a little bit so it looks a little bit shorter because I am petite. I love the tassels here. You can totally tie this or just wear it like that. And this is so affordable. This dress was $34, which I don't think is bad. Well, I would totally do a denim jacket if it gets like a little bit chilly at nighttime, and I would do wedges with this, or even like flat sandals if I'm just running errands during the weekend. But this is such a nice piece to add to your wardrobe. Okay, so this is another piece from Free Assembly. I love the print as well. I think it's super soft, super feminine. This is their V-neck dress with short sleeves. I love the ruffle detail on the neckline. It does have buttons up to here, so it's very, very nice. I got this in a size small. As you can see, the length is a little bit weird on me, but I still really like it. I would love to add a belt to make it a little bit more form-fitting, but if you're a little taller than me, I think this would look really nice. Okay, so next we have another item from Free Assembly. I love this brand, and this dress is stunning. I love the tiered maxi look. It's such a perfect dress for summer. I think you guys all need a white dress for summer. It's super flattering, so it doesn't matter your shape. I think this is super flattering. You can totally go and eat and do whatever you want in this dress and you'll totally look fine. I would add a belt as well to make it a little bit more form-fitting for me. This is a good staple piece to have in your wardrobe. This is actually 100% organic cotton and it is $39, and I got this in a size small because they didn't have extra small, but I would totally go with the extra small, and this comes in 4 different colors. So if you're looking for a good maxi dress for summer, this is your dress. Love it. Okay, so next we have this dress. This is a scoop dress. I got this in an extra small, and this is their Smocked waist midi dress. Okay, loved how this looked online. I loved that it had this length and it looked very flattering online, but the only thing that I would suggest is probably wearing something in the inside because this is super see-through. I have a feeling this could totally be a nice like swimsuit cover up. I love the fit. I love the sleeves. This was $39 as well, which made me realize that for $39 I don't want to have to wear something in the inside to cover up because it is that see-through. But as you guys can tell, it fits really nicely. I would totally also add a belt. If you are taller than me, this would look super cute on you, and this color is just like the pop of color you need. I'm usually very bad with adding colors in my wardrobe, but I love dresses this color. I love this tone of pink. Okay, next we have another scoop dress. Guys, I am obsessed. This dress is a dream. I love everything about this dress. The fit and the sleeves. These balloon sleeves are so in right now. This was such a beautiful dress. If you are a little bit taller than me, you do have the option to make this a little bit longer, but I have a feeling that you will have to like constantly be pulling it down. So if you're like super tall, I don't know how this dress will look on you. If you're just a little bit taller than me, this would totally fit you fine. It is also not as flattering as the other dresses because it is like form-fitting here in your midsection. Which I was a little bit like, okay, I can't go out to eat with this dress, but I can totally look cute like going out in the morning or like at nighttime for a drink. So this is totally a must-have for me. I have this in a size small. I think an extra small would have been a little bit too tight for me. The small fit just fine, and I'm going to leave the price up here because I can't find it. And this is called their puff sleeve mini dress. Okay, so next we have another dress from Scoop. This is such a beautiful dress. Oh my god, look at the color. I am obsessed with this color. This is their square neck baby doll dress, and I got this in a size extra small, and it is $17. When I saw the price, I had to get it. This comes in 4 different colors, which I'm going to be ordering. This is just beautiful, from the balloon sleeves to the square neckline. I love how this looks on. I am petite and this doesn't look super long on me, which I was surprised because usually baby doll dresses are too long for me. This one was actually perfect. I could totally still do a belt and the length will be okay. And it is a nice thick material. It's double lined, I believe, and it's not see-through at all, which I love. So I will be getting more colors because it's just that one dress that I can throw on. I would totally do wedges with this or flat sandals, and the color is just absolutely beautiful. The price point is perfect. Okay, so next we have a dress from Lush. I only got one item from Lush, but this, obsessed. I love this print. The colors are so beautiful. I love the sleeves. These are a little bit more see-through than the actual dress. The dress is double lined. This has ruffles at the end, and the waist is cinched, which I love because it gives you that nice shape. It is a super, super pretty dress. This was $29, which I was surprised because I would have thought, like, by looking at this dress, I would think this was a little bit more, but this is such a pretty dress to have. I'm trying to see if it has a name. This is the printed Ruffle Smock mini dress. It fits me really nice too. The length is perfect. If you're a little taller than me, it could totally work for you. And this is the type of dress that you can dress up to go somewhere like a dinner or a birthday, and you could totally dress this down as well and just look a little bit more put together during the weekend. I love the v-neck. Everything about this dress is beautiful. This is a must-have. I'm going to look into more items from Lush because this actually surprised me. Okay, so next we have another scoop dress. Guys, this color, I am obsessed. I know I say that about everything, so just know that I get obsessed pretty easily. I got this in a size small, and this is called their square neck smocked midi dress. I love the length, and I love that it has slits on the side. It's so flattering. I love this shape of dress. I feel like this is the type of dress that I can totally wear out on a date or out with my girls. Totally obsessed with it. The print is really nice. The color yellow is actually really in right now, so a piece like this is perfect. Okay, so we have another free assembly piece. This is their Smocked cropped tank top. I love this. I love the colors, like this baby yellow. This also comes in 3 different colors, and it is $18, which I didn't think it was bad at all. I would totally pair this up with a pair of white jeans or white high-waisted shorts with some wedges. I think that would look super cute, and I just love the fit of this. I got this in a small, but I wish I would have gotten it in an extra small because it does run a little bit big. So if you are between sizes, I would totally size down. And yeah, this is like a basic with a super cute feminine girly vibe. Okay guys, so the last item that I wanted to show you before showing you a bag that I also picked up from Walmart are these jeans that have become my favorite. I've been wearing these nonstop. So these are also from the brand Free Assembly, and these are the original 90s straight jeans. I've heard so many people going crazy over the Abercrombie 90s jeans. They keep selling out. These are actually a really good option. They come in 4 different colors, and these go for $27. They also come in different lengths, so if you're short or petite like me, they have an option for short, regular, and tall, which is amazing because it's so hard to find that option. And these are just everything. I love the rips at the knees. The wash is a really pretty wash for spring and summer, like this light wash. They fit really nicely because they're high-waisted, so they really cinch you at the waist. And I would totally go with your true to size. I got these in a size 2 and they fit perfectly. Okay, so the last item that I want to show you is this super pretty bag. This is also from the brand Scoop. This is their straw bag. I love how this looks on. Such a pretty bag to just throw on when you have a dress on and wedges. It also comes with a string tie here, so you can open it up. I haven't taken anything out, but this is what it looks like, and it is super, super pretty. I'm not sure how much this was, which is really bad. I should know how much I pay for things, but I don't know, but I'm gonna leave it here so you guys can go take a look. But I think this is such a pretty bag to have and just add in your wardrobe for spring and summer. You can totally fit so many things in here. Like, I'm already imagining my DSLR camera going in here and it'll totally fit just fine. Okay guys, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this try on haul. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you don't follow me on Instagram yet, make sure you go do so. I do take pictures with some of these items, so if you want to see how I style them, make sure you go check me out. I'm going to leave all of the links, everything that you need to know down below in the description box. So in case you want to go get anything, it will be just a click away. If you do buy anything, please let me know. And if you like any of these items, let me know down below which one is your favorite. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.